why I choose to build something more. Ambisyosa man go, di ba? But guys, and what my life actually looks like now because of that decision I made. Diba guys? And because a lot of time guys, you see people posting, diba? You see you see them showing up daily, or you see them showing up, diba? But you don't really know what's behind it. And honestly, this is something I wish someone explained to me before I started, because most of people only shows results but not the progress, not the effort, not that small steps that actually change your life, diba? So for me guys, um I was in school working in a healthcare. I showed up, I take care of patients, I do my job. And also, guys, at the same time, I am grateful. But also, deep inside me, guys, there was always, always these quiet questions stick in my head. Is this all I'm going to do for the rest of my life? Not because I didn't love nursing, but because I knew I wanted more options, more freedom, more time, more flexibility, more something more, 'di ba? More money, 'di ba? Kay daghan kay ka giatiman, daghan kay ka gigastuhan, daghan kay ka gitabangan, 'di ba? But guys, right? And if you're in healthcare or a hardworking person, even wala ka sa healthcare, like just hardworking in general, um, you probably know this feeling too, 'di ba? Because you're doing everything right. Yet, guys, at the same time, you're tired, you're busy, you're limited by your schedule. And no matter how hard you work, no matter how hard you work, your time is still tied up to your income.